So this is euro dollar analysis for Thursday, 29th of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had this run up here on the euro dollar. We then traded above the 24.50, had a strong sell-off, had a brief recovery, but we saw the sell side momentum return to the market, breaking down from this 24.05. From breaking down from this 24.05, we've had prices come down towards the 200 and 400 period moving average confluence at a brief rest there before seeing the further sell side momentum coming into the market, bring us down towards that, is that 23, is it? Down towards that 23 level, from which we have seen the buy side momentum return. These candles are pretty small in size, suggesting there was not a greater degree of conviction by the bulls on this occasion. And what we have subsequently seen is a large bearish candle. So if we are to see the momentum follow through in light of the most recent trend, and in light of, and also taking into account this large candle we have seen just here, and we've not quite got down towards that 22.87, there is a potential for this price to head down towards that 22.87, where we did see bullish buy side momentum return to the market previously. From 22.87, we could see a move to the upside. Could see a move here from these 22.87 to the upside, and if we do see that move to the upside, we are then looking for price head towards that 23.62, successful break from which we're then looking for price head towards that 24.05, and if we do have sufficient volatility, 24.50 should come into focus. If, however, we do not find support at the 22.87, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside would be a move down towards that 22.23. We've not been down there in a while. Our previous lows were in around that 22.40, but 22.23 would be the what I'd expect the downside. And if there is sufficient volatility in the market and the current trend persists, we will likely head down beyond the 22.23, head down towards that 21.78. Now, if we have a look at the daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, we can see that from after we got up towards that 24.50, we've had some sell side momentum, had a pretty strong bearish day yesterday. So there is a potential for some retracement for seeing that further sell side momentum challenging these previous lows here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.